Hi, how are you? It's Ching. We're going to go into the second part of the essential stretch for people who love sports, especially the summertime now. So last week we did the first part, which is on the using the chair, right? The most important thing, because our lifestyle controls so much by the computer and our job choices. So if you work with computer, you sit. If you drive a lot, you sit, right? If you sleep sideways, you sit again. So that hip flex all the time. Plus the exercise we chose, elliptical, biking, running, it's all this sagittal plane, which is mean front and back, flexion, extension movement, right? You go to the gym again, you're doing the same thing again. So you really need to open that hip, okay? So this is the standing one today. Next week we're going to do the same thing on the floor. So you have choices. Depends where you are. So there's always something you can do. I'm going to use the counter over there. So I'll give you a couple choices, okay, what you have around you. You can use your kitchen counter, center island, whatever you have, or the banister. And I'm going to show you how to use the wall too. And the last part, I'm going to show you how to do without touching anything. Right? That's balancing had to be involved, so a little more advanced. Okay, so I'm going to go right there, start the first one. Okay, here we go. So I put both hands definitely wider than your shoulder. Okay, so right here, you can see I'm very, very close to the counter. My elbows bend, so it's like that's the distance you can. You bend your knee first because I need to take a giant lunge back. So my left leg, so this is my left leg going back. So I'm gonna establish your leg sandwich with your hip, okay? So when you bend your elbow side, it's called the AB dog, the humerus out. Engage your abdominal, heel down, top of your head going 1. Inhale, exhale, hollow tummy 2. Inhale, exhale 3. Inhale, exhale 4. Stay here, heel up, squeeze your glutes, pushing back. You're at a thoracic spine extension, so open the whole front side. Going back to the movement 1. Heel up, going to the movement 2. Heel down, movement 1. Up and movement 2. One more time, movement 1. So inhale, exhale, movement 2. Okay, movement 3. Body upright, so bring your body upright, heel up, knee still bend, okay? Cross your right arm to the center line of your body. Let go the left arm down. I'm going to open the whole left side. We're adding the lateral flexion to it. Bend your knee more. Squeeze your glutes. 1. Push the right shoulder back. And 2. Again, push your right shoulder back. Laterally flexes thoracic spine. 3. Don't go into lower back, so close the rib cage, right? Engage that upper and lower arrow. And return. Shift your way forward, step in and return. So upper arrow, remember the quick recap. Upper arrows, external obliques, and 1, 2, 3. See? Lower arrows here. Right now we stabilize here, we're moving upper body. So now come over here. Here's the wall. Okay, so I'm put my hands on. Remember, widen than your shoulder. I'm going to use my right leg back now, so I'm really close, elbows bend. You bend both knee, giant step back. Adjust yourself, right? Inhale, exhale again, bend your elbow and lengthen, so you're leaning forward. The idea is really get that calf lengthened out, especially if you run and you ride bike and elliptical, whatever, the calf, it's screaming, right? Because it's too much weight bearing. And again, last one, this movement 1. Now slowly roll the heel up, squeeze the glutes, engage your abdominal, extend that hip flexors. Push back, extend the thoracic spine. Bend your elbow, lower the heel, going forward. Movement 1 connects to the movement 2. Exhale, inhale, prepare. So we stretch on the exhale. Transition, inhale. push back, squeeze your glutes, exhale. One last set. And inhale, and then you're going to the exhale. Transitions, inhale, and exhale. Okay, I'm gonna cross my left arm to the center line of my body. Keep the left shoulder back, right arm down. Keep your knee bent, body's up right now, neutral. Inhale, you ready? You add a lateral flexion. Whoa, and return. Lower down, shoulders down, right scapula down. 2, and return. Inhale, exhale, laterally rotate. 3, and return. Inhale, exhale, you bend into the left side. Push the left shoulder back. 4, and return. Bend the front knee, step in, and return. Okay, so remember, we're going to do free hand, no touching. So that's means you have to have a really good balance. Okay, if that's hard, you stay with that. Okay, so here. So I'm bend my knee. I like to show you diagonally instead of facing you. This way you can see both leg, shoulder. Okay, so that's your north. I'm gonna extend my right leg out again because you can see better. Hollow your tummy. Okay, giant step back. So I find here, you ready? I'm gonna reach my arm, my finger toward that right ankle. 1. So I can really create a what? The nice big calf stretch. So I'm using my front leg now. Exhale, go. And keep leaning. So this is lean, one straight line. Okay, you ready? Reach both arms down, bend the back knee, heels up. Reaching, there's a down, there's up. 1. Okay, if you really could, you reach both arms up. 2, and return. Inhale, exhale, both arms open. 3, squeeze your glutes. And 4. Okay, now combining, right? So it's getting a little harder. You go 1, movement 1, into movement 2, and movement 1, into movement 2. You say, okay, that's just too hard. Then just don't use your arm. Movement 1, reaching down, root it down. Movement 2, movement 1, right, leaning. Okay, sorry, I'm skipping. And going down, stretch a quadricep 2, hip flex the quadricep, and the 2, okay? The third movement, you bring your body back to neutral. Remember, you're gonna cross your arm, pushing, we don't have to. And you ready? Reaching left arm down, lower the back knee, add a lateral flexion. 1. So there's a lot of balance involved. Inhale, exhale, root it down. 2, and return. Inhale, exhale again. 3. Last one. Inhale, exhale, 4. So remember, this is if you have a wall, you push, okay? Keep the left shoulder bent. Now standing, I'm going to reach my left arm down, okay? To help. Coming in, return. Keep practicing. It doesn't get better until you practice. So don't think about you arrive right away, right? So if it's hard, that's good. That means something you can focus on and get better and better through repetition. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful week. See you next week. Take good care. Bye.